When you first hold the M5 iPad Pro in your hands, its sleek, premium build immediately leaves an impression. It feels solid yet featherlight, with edges so refined that the device becomes an extension of your own grip. The display, an expansive edge-to-edge canvas, beckons you to interact, swipe, sketch, and immerse yourself. But beyond the surface, the heart of this device is what truly sets it apart. The M5 chip powering it is a masterpiece of engineering, offering lightning-fast speed, exceptional energy efficiency, and performance that can rival many desktop systems. Multitasking becomes effortless, creative apps respond instantly, and even the most demanding workflows are handled with grace. In everyday use, the M5 iPad Pro transforms routine tasks into moments of delight. Opening heavy creative applications, juggling multiple projects at once, handling file transfers, all of it flows without hiccups. You can split your screen, run a video on one side while writing notes or sketching on another, and jump between dozens of open windows. The device remains smooth and responsive. For those who shoot, edit, and post content on the go, the M5 iPad Pro becomes a portable studio. High-resolution video editing, color grading, effects, and rendering all happen with surprising speed. You're no longer tethered to a heavy laptop. Instead, all your tools live inside this single, elegant slab of glass and metal. But performance is only part of the story. Creativity is born out of inspiration, and the M5 iPad Pro is designed to fuel that spark. The display is a work of art. High brightness, deep blacks, vibrant color, and support for high refresh rates make everything feel alive. Whether you're illustrating complex digital paintings, editing photos with delicate precision, or composing layouts for digital publications, the accuracy and smoothness create a direct connection between your vision and execution. The Apple Pencil, second generation or later, glides across the surface with imperceptible latency, letting your strokes feel organic. Pressure sensitivity, tilt, and brush dynamics respond fluidly, making it feel as though a real brush or pen were interacting with your creative flow. For professionals and power users, the connectivity and expandability of the M5 iPad Pro play a critical role. Thunderbolt/USB, 4 ports, support for external SSDs, monitors, and other accessories open up a world of possibilities. You can mount external displays, plug in fast drives for extended media libraries, or connect peripherals such as keyboards, trackpads, and MIDI devices. This flexibility allows the iPad Pro to adapt to your workflow, be it a minimalist mobile setup or a full studio docked configuration. Cloud sync and seamless file transfer make collaborating and file management easier than ever. And with cellular or 5G options, you can stay productive even when you're far from Wi-Fi. Battery life is often a concern for high-performance devices, but here the M5 iPad Pro exceeds expectations. Thanks to the thoughtful design of the M5 chip and power optimizations in iPadOS, you can work, create, and consume for